सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी। बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायकु फलचारी। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश बेकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन बिराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। हाथ वज्र ओ ध्वजा बिराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा बिकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि संभाई। सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। जम कुबेर दिक पाल जहाते कभी कोविद कहि सके कहते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाए राजपत दीन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र भीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मैली मुख माही जलधि लांगी गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे तीनों लोक हाकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग प्रताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाय जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाय। और देवता चित न धरहि, हनुमत से ही सर्ब सुख करहि। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ करे कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्ध साकी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तने संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान। हम अभी कृष्ण लीला कर रहे हैं, राइट? एंड व्हाई इज इट that what Sri Krishna is doing is called a Leela, but what we are doing is not Leela? What is the difference? हम जो कर रहे हैं वो क्रिया माना जाता है, और जो श्री कृष्ण कर रहे हैं, जो श्री राम कर रहे हैं, जो प्रभु आते हैं अवतार लेके और वो जो करते हैं उसको तो लीला कहा जाता है, और हम जो कर रहे हैं उसको कहा जाता है क्रिया। ऐसा क्यों? कभी विचार आता है कि उनमें और हम में ऐसा क्या फ़र्क है? जो करें उसको तो बहुत रुचि से हम सुनते हैं, और जो हम करते हैं उसको, सपोज वट एवर यू हैव डन इन लाइफ, सपोज यू टॉक अबाउट इट, इट इज़ कॉल्ड ग्लोटिंग, राइट? मैंने ये करा, मैंने वो करा, और कोई और भी बोले तो देर आर रिएक्शंस ऑफ जेलसी, हैप्पीनेस, सैडनेस. Whatever we are doing in this world is not like what Sri Krishna did when he came. There is a very simple difference. Because what he is doing is totally selfless. There is no selfish agenda over there. That is why it becomes loving. That is why it becomes beautiful. That is why it becomes worth talking about. But what we are doing every day, minute after minute, is just selfish kriya, isn't it? Nothing else. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वो हम कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं, हमारे लोगों के लिए कर रहे हैं. Even if you expand beyond a point, you might expand to your country, your city, but there is no selflessness. There is an effort in the action. But God तो अनायास ही करते जाते हैं. इसीलिए उनकी लीला होती है, हमारी क्रिया होती है. वो ना तो इस काल चक्र में बनते हैं, ना कर्म में बनते हैं, और हम कर्म में बंधे चले जाते हैं. एक के बाद दूसरा we start accumulating, and then we have to take birth after birth after birth to get rid of all the accumulations of good or bad karma. There can be good karmas also. Do they bind you? Of course they do. Do the bad karmas bind you? Of course they do. Both the karmas are binding. Why? Because of the selfish nature. कहीं ना कहीं there is a thought कि मैं कर रहा हूं. पर कृष्ण तो करते हुए भी नहीं कर रहे कुछ, और हम सब नहीं करते हुए भी सोचते हैं कि हम करता हैं. So does he really act? Is he really doing something? उनने पूतना वध करा. He crossed, he helped Vasudev ji cross the Yamuna and reach the other side to Gokul, is he actually doing something? Is there so much happening around us? You'll see, yes, I can see with my eyes, hear with my ears that there's so much happening around. But is there in reality something happening? Let's take an example here of a moving train. Now you're sitting in a train, right? And you say कि मैं चलो जोधपुर से जयपुर पहुंच गया या जयपुर आ गया. क्या जयपुर आता है? या Jodhpur moves close to Jaipur or Jaipur comes near Jodhpur? No. When you're sitting in a train and you look outside the window, what do you feel? You feel as if everything is moving. The tree is moving, the mountains are moving, the houses are moving. But in reality, it is not the tree, it is not the houses, it is you who is moving. Yes. Motion वहाँ नहीं, अंदर हो रहा है आपके. दृष्टि दृष्टि दृष्टि, आपकी दृष्टि में, मैं खोट तो नहीं कहूँगी, जो भी है आपकी दृष्टि. So actually nothing is happening. So actually is Sri Krishna doing something? This is a thought that you should think about. But ना करते हुए भी बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं. पूतना को ने ताड़ दिया, isn't it? He liberated Putna, I would say. There was no enmity, no hatred. Do you know who Putna was? Putna was Bali's daughter. So when Sri Hari had taken the Vaman avatar and he had gone to Bali ke dwar to ask for yachna, he said, I am a Brahmin and as a king, you have to make sure that everybody's wish is fulfilled. So I have come to ask for something. So Bali had asked, what do you want? And he said, I just want 3 footsteps worth of land. And at that time, even she was there. Raja Bali's daughter was there. Her name was Ratnamala. And when she looked at this Vaman avatar, a little boy, she had that motherly feeling towards him, and she felt that I wish I had a son, or this boy was my son. And later on, we all know what happened. When Bali said, you ask for more, the only 3 steps worth of land is hardly anything. Ask for something of my caliber. And at that time, Vaman avatar said, no, taking beyond what I need is a sin, so I want only that much. See, every lesson of ours, every story is filled with morals. It's like, you can just take one episode and talk about the entire Vedanta in it. But at that time, he asked only for 3 footsteps, and then he started growing, right? And with 1 foot, the last foot, he shoved or pushed Raja Bali into Patal Lok. At that time, the same Ratnamala, who had that motherly feeling towards him, wanted to kill him or avenge her father's insult. And whatever be the feeling in your heart, whatever you ask for, the Lord fulfills. And that is what he did. You know what he did? He said, Tathastu. When I come as Krishna, you come as Putna. And the way you would harm me would be by feeding me. So she came, and who feeds a child? The mother, isn't it? So you would breastfeed me. So your desire to be a mother would be fulfilled. And at the same time, your intentions of killing me will be fulfilled because you will come with the intentions of harming me. And that's Ratnamala. He fulfilled her wish and later on liberated her also. There is no room for any form of hatred, vengeance, nothing in our scriptures. When Putna Vadh happened, there was no vengeance. When they did her cremations, it was done with all due respect. This is what our scriptures tell us. Even though she had come to destroy Sri Krishna, the son of Nanda Baba, the Gokul Vasis who loved Krishna dearly, more dear, Sri Krishna was more dear to them than their own lives. They gave due respect to Putna. They cremated her with due respect. this is what we carry from our scriptures. डरे थोड़ा, सीधे साधे लोग थे, भूले भूले गोकुलवासी. And over here, they show the importance of cow in our religion. How important Gomutra, Gotilak, everything is. And this is how they purified the Lord Himself. There is no mention that the cow should not be harmed or anything, but again and again she is revered. What form did Bhumi Devi take when she went to look for the Lord? She took the form of a cow. She is holy to us. And scientifically also, there is a lot of benefit in Gomutra, Gobar, everything. Now this all happened. And again, the Gokulvasis, as simple as they were, they forgave, forgot and moved on. Right? No grudges in their heart, bitak bandh ke nahi baithte the. The people who have God in their vicinity cannot hold grudges, They cannot hold anything but love in their heart. So what they did was, theek hai, ho gaya. They moved on. They always lived in the moment. And the moment was the moment they spent with Sri Krishna. Every morning it is said that these gopis, the cowherd women, were very restless. They could not wait for the afternoon to go and visit Sri Krishna. So the minute they would get ready, they would go and knock at Yashoda Ma's door. And Yashoda Ma would say, it's so early in the morning. Why have you come so early in the morning? Could you not have come later? But now that you have come and you really want to see Krishna, go ahead, see my baby boy. But mind you, don't be noisy. He's sleeping, okay? It took me quite a while. He did not sleep so well at night. So don't wake him up. Be very quiet. And by the time she turned back, there would be 10 ladies standing. That was their love towards the Lord. हमें ऐसा प्यार है क्या कि जहाँ हरी कथा चल रही है हम वहाँ जाके बैठ जाएं बस, जहाँ हरी नाम का कीर्तन हो रहा वहाँ हम जाके बैठ जाएं बस. Those were the Gokulvasis. साक्षात श्री हरि थे. तो उनकी तृष्णा, that trishna and desire to have darshan of Sri Hari was never getting over. And what would they do? They would all rush quietly. From a distance, they would look at the little blue baby sleeping, that so lovely one. And they will say, look at his tiny legs. So beautiful. Look at them. And then they would move on. They say, oh, look at his tiny hands. Then they would move on. Oh, look at him. His tiny lips. His eyes. His curly hair. From one to another, they would keep observing him. And their intention was कि कैसे भी करके मैं इनको आँखों में भर लूँ. That chavi of the Lord, that picture of Sri Krishna sleeping should be in their eyes for the rest of the day. They just did not want this picture to get away from their eyes. आँख बंद करूँ तो बस the minute I close my eyes, I should see this. And this is very important. हमारी तृप्ति हो जाती है ना. Their trishna, their thirst of looking at Sri Krishna was not getting over. It was growing day by day, and that is called bhakti. Yes, this is called bhakti. कि मैं जितना मेरे प्रभु की तस्वीर देखती हूँ उतना ही और देखने का मन करता है. This is how these are acharyas of bhakti. Yes, Dongre ji Maharaj बोलते हैं ना ये तो भक्ति के आचार्य है. Later on we'll see when Uddhav had gone and said कि I'll teach you what is Gyan. They said छोड़ो, we will teach you what is bhakti. And Uddhav believed that these gopis were his gurus. And bhakti कि बस जाए श्री हरि हमारी आंखों के भीतर. And when you close your eyes, you can visualize. That should be your devotion. When you go to a temple, कितनी सारी आरतियां होती है ना, सुबह से लेके रात तक 8 आरतियां चलती हैं. But we will go to one आरती and we'll say कि हो गए हमारे दर्शन. Really? Yeah, we had one darshan and that is enough. But there are certain people who can't stop having the darshan. They will go again and again for every aarti. Now I understand that madness. Initially I did not. How can you have enough of somebody you love? Those of you who have fallen in love would know कि एक बार मिलने से तो और मन करता है मिलने का, राइट? प्यार में ऐसा ही होता है ना कि बस उसकी आवाज़ सुनती रहूं, उसको देखती रहूं अभी, and that intazar, when you're waiting for your beloved to come is so dear. And then when your beloved comes, you get sad कि अब ये चले जाएंगे. ऐसा प्यार होना चाहिए भगवान से. जब हम इंसान से ऐसा प्यार कर सकते हैं, क्या भगवान से नहीं कर सकते? कर सकते हैं. और कैसे करें? When you are in your mandir, start from the feet of the Lord. Never start from the face. आप लायक तो बने उनके चेहरे को देखने के. Start from the feet. Look at his feet. धीरे धीरे try to remember and imprint that image in your mind. Then move on. Look at his hands. Look at him. Slowly move towards his chin. Slowly towards his lips. Slowly towards his eyes and his beautiful curly locks. And keep looking so that whenever you close your eyes, that picture of the Lord comes alive in your mind. Until it happens, keep looking, keep looking. And ऐसा था ब्रिजवासी गोकुलवासियों का प्यार. Always, all they wanted to do was look at the Lord. कि कैसे दर्शन में रोक दूं. तृप्ति नहीं होती. And then Ma Yashoda would come, now go, take care of your own homes. Leave us now, go, बाद में आना, चलो, जाओ. And reluctantly, all of them would leave. But what would they carry with them? The picture of the Lord in their heart. इसे कहते हैं भक्ति. वहां दिमाग का काम नहीं है, तर्क का काम नहीं है, प्रमाण का काम नहीं है, प्रूफ कुछ नहीं. इसमें देयर इज अ फीलिंग. आज तक कोई तर्क करके, प्रमाण दे के, हट करके प्रभु को जान पाया है क्या? नहीं. प्रभु तो बस प्यार से रीझते हैं. डोंट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हिम. यू कांट. विथ योर लिमिटेड इंटेलेक्ट उस प्रभु को क्या समझोगे जिसके लिए ये सारी सृष्टि केवल एक कण भी नहीं है उनके क्रिएशन में. This creation is nothing but a drop, not even a drop in the magnificence of who he is. तो क्या हम इस लिमिटेड बुद्धि से उनको समझ सकते? नहीं. हमें उन्हें प्यार ही करना पड़ेगा और इसे कहते हैं निरोध लीला. That is why book 10 of Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran is known as Nirodh Leela. What is the meaning of Nirodh? Nirodh Leela means, very simply put, where you totally and completely get engrossed in bhakti. You forget everything else. Total dedication and complete detachment from the world. Total dedication to the Lord and complete detachment to the world. That is what this chapter will accomplish if we listen to it from all our heart and soul. Nirodh Leela. अनायास हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा. धीरे धीरे कब ठाकुर जी हमारे दिल में आके बस जाएंगे. And days went by like this. Everybody would come and visit Sri Hari. And Ma Yashoda felt that the love they shower on my son, the blessings they give, it is because of their blessings and their love that he is safe and sound. That I got him in the first place. So I need to be thankful to the people who have given so much blessing to me. And I really want to serve them. I want to serve them. She never said that I want to give something to them or donate to them. सब सीधे साधे लोग थे. गरीब तो मैं बोलूंगी नहीं, because गरीब की परिभाषा क्या? Who is poor? Is the person who does not have money poor, or is the person who does not have God, who does not have goodness, who does not have sympathy and love poor. In today's world, the definitions have become corrupted. So she wanted to serve the people and give to them. She just wanted to call them, and she felt that once she gets this occasion, she will. And you know what? 108 days went by. Almost 3 months went by. When Sri Krishna, this little cute baby, turned, and when he turned to his side on his own, she was so overjoyed. She said, this is the moment when I should celebrate. I want to celebrate with all those who have given immense blessings to my son. All the Gokulvasis have to be invited, and I just want to take care of them, serve them. And Nand Baba said, please do. Let's open our treasuries again. Because he used to wonder. You know what he used to wonder? He used to wonder कि ये कहाँ से आ जाता है खजाना? I don't know who has been leaving so much that it is not getting over. He never knew, he could not pinpoint that who is depositing so much of riches in his treasury. Who was depositing so much of riches? अरे जहाँ कृष्ण है वहाँ लक्ष्मी तो है ही ना. जहाँ हरि, वहाँ हरि की माया नहीं आएगी. यस, सो वो जो हरि के लिए हरि का काम कर रहा है, उसके पास में लक्ष्मी की कमी हो ही नहीं सकती. And Lakshmi, not only money, not only prosperity in the terms of money, it is prosperity in every term, satisfaction, contentment of all kinds. Only the one who is contented can give. The rest are busy taking. And the ones who are contented are the rich. And no matter how much money you have, if you are still busy taking, if you're taking more than you're giving to the environment, you're poor. तुम गरीब हो, तुम अमीर हो ही नहीं सकते. नंद बाबा तो, माँ यशोदा तो बहुत अमीर थे, उनके पास में श्री कृष्ण थे. And they said, yes, please call them. We'll serve them to the best of our ability. Serve them? Yes, serve them. हमारे पास में क्या है जो हम दे सकते हैं, बताएं? क्या लेके आए थे और क्या ले जाएंगे? जो कुछ भी है सब प्रभु का ही है ना. तेरा तुझको अर्पण क्या लागे मेरा. वेयर इज द अहम देन कि हम दे रहे हैं और कोई याचक है और ले रहा है. यू शुड बी ग्रेटफुल दैट यू हैव एंड देयर इज समबडी टू टेक. एंड दिस वेल्थ ना, माया, इज वेरी चंचल. आज है कल नहीं. बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजा, in a second they lose everything and they come to the streets with nothing. How does that happen? How? We have heard of many tales of people who become, from riches they go to rags without any thought कि कैसे हुआ ये. Not only, if you look at Mahabharat, look at Raja Yudhishthir. एक दिन तो बहुत बड़ा राजपाट चला रहे थे, दूसरे दिन जंगलों में भटकने लगे. श्री राम, कहाँ तो उनका राज तिलक होने वाला था, कहाँ उनको वनवास मिल गया. राजा हरिश्चंद्र, एक सेकंड में सब कुछ चला गया. Look around you, look around, open your eyes. This is not distant. Yudhishthir distant hai, Nalraj distant hai, all these are distant, but look around. अखबार पढ़ो ना. Open the YouTube channels and see. Open the news. You will know how people from rich come down and they have nothing but rags left. एक सेकंड लगता है. होनहार भावी प्रबल बिलखि कहे मुनिनाथ, हानि लाभ जीवन मरण यश अपयश विधि हाथ. एक सेकंड में सब पलट जाएगा. आज प्रभु ने दिया है तो दो आगे, दोनों हाथ से बांटो. तुम्हारे पास अगर माया मतलब वेल्थ रहनी होगी तो रहेगी, और नहीं रहनी होगी ना तो कोई रोक नहीं सकेगा. कितना ही जमा करके रख लो आप, कितने ही घर खड़े कर लो, कितनी ही तिजोरियां भर लो. Keep your money as safe, invest it wherever you want. If it has to go, it will. That is why many sages say, now when you have the opportunity, you have the money in your hands, पुण्य करो, दान करो. Give with both hands. कल पता नहीं तुम इस लायक रहोगे भी या नहीं. सोचने वाली बात है. आज है तो दे सकते हो, नहीं होगा तो क्या दोगे? That should be our mentality. Ma, Yashoda and Nand Baba, they are saying we have, so let's give. Give as much as we can. Help them, serve people. And they don't have that aham ki hum de rahe hain. See, they are very saral, na? कृष्ण का उनके घर में जन्म हुआ, पर उनको ही आभास नहीं है कि श्री कृष्ण भगवान है. उनको ही आभास नहीं है कि श्री कृष्ण भगवान है. एंड what happened then? कि उनको पता ही नहीं कि ये लक्ष्मी कहाँ से आ रही है. मतलब उनमें इतना भी है नहीं कि हमने कमाया, हमारे अनायास. Most of the people will say, whatever I have, I am a self-made man or self-made woman and I've worked so hard for it. Murak. No matter how hard you work, if God does not want you to have it, you won't have it. And these are saying we do not know where so much is coming from. Saral, 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 saral. And they are willing. And जो सरल होता है ना, जिसको ये नहीं होता कि मैंने मेरी मेहनत से कमाया है, मेरा है, वो बांटता भी सरलता से. अरे जो ठाकुर जी ने दिया है उन्हीं को वापस दे रहे हैं ना. सब में ठाकुर जी तो है. एवरीबडी इज बट अ फॉर्म ऑफ गॉड. क्यों अक्यूमुलेट कर रहे हो? दो ना. आज मौका मिला है देने का, कल तुम ही आचक बन जाओगे तो किसको क्या दोगे? पर नहीं, we will spend on ourselves, right? We will save for our children's education. We will have properties. We will put it in FDs. Why? पता नहीं कल होना हो. अरे बुरा, कल नहीं होगा. नहीं होना होगा तो, अगर होना होगा तो होगा. But today, this moment is yours. Make the most of it. Live a simple life. Don't spend too much on yourselves. See where your needs end and your wants start. Don't cross that fine line between needs and wants. It is not what you have, but what you give makes you who you are. अब नहीं समझे तो कब समझोगे? How can you not open your purse when somebody is dying of hunger? How can you hoard? Then you are a sinner. No matter how much you chant, no matter how much you read, no matter how many times a day you go from house to house, nothing is going to appeal the Lord. Nothing is going to appeal the Lord. Proper empty lip service, huh? Do bhai, do. Live a simple life. Go back to basics. Don't flaunt. Give, give, give. See, this is the only time you have. He has given you wealth. He has given you luxuries, not to spend on yourself, but to share. The sooner we understand it, the better. यहाँ पे माँ यशोदा और नंद बाबा यही तो समझा रहे हैं. When Krishna was born, they shared, they opened their treasuries. Again, there is an occasion to celebrate. They want to give. उत्सव. उत्सव क्या होता है? जब आप पार्टी करते हैं. भाई दिवाली आ रही है, पार्टी करेंगे, राइट? नवरात्रे आ रहे हैं, पार्टी करेंगे, खाएंगे पिएंगे, मौज करेंगे. What is खाना पीना मौज करना? Who are you giving the food to? When we are celebrating, I say there's nothing wrong in celebration, but look around. When you are celebrating, whom are you giving the food to? Whom are you calling? Whom are you celebrating with? The haves. Why not with the have-nots? उतना ही पैसा आप उस पे खर्च करिए ना जिसको जरूरत है. तब तो वो सही मायने में उत्सव हुआ. नहीं तो फिर क्या है? उत्सव means, what does it mean? Ut means Ishwar and Sav means Prakatya. Ishwar ka Prakatya. Utsav. In our scriptures, in our religion, there are so many utsavs, you know. वैसे बहुत उत्सव होते हैं. There are many reasons to celebrate. Celebrate what? Celebrate Ishwar ka Prakatya. When you celebrate Ishwar ka Prakatya, everybody becomes Ishwar for you, right? When there is Ishwar born, no, but what our celebrations are very different. We will celebrate with our family, our friends, the people who have, and we never think about the people who have not. And the first thing that we forget during the Utsavs is the Lord Himself. So now Ma Yashoda, after 108 days, when the child turned, she wanted to celebrate. And when she wanted to celebrate, she wanted to give. That is what Utsav is for her. हृदय में हरि का प्राकट्य हुआ है, उनको देना है, बांटना है, रखना कुछ नहीं है. And they called everybody. They called everybody from far and near कि सब आ जाओ, हम उत्सव मनाएंगे. हम उत्सव मनाएंगे, मिलके मनाएंगे, सबको बांटेंगे. एंड शी टुक आउट एवरीथिंग दैट शी हैड, नेवर थिंकिंग कि बाद में कृष्ण के फ्यूचर का क्या होगा. सब कुछ निकाल लिया अपने घर से कि सब बांट दूंगी आज मैं. गायें निकाल ली कि जो चाहिए ले जाओ. दैट इज लिविंग इन द मोमेंट. आज है तो मैं दे दूं, कल नहीं होगा तो मैं क्या करूंगी. सपोज कल आपके पास नहीं हो, तो हाउ वुड यू लाइक पीपल टू बिहेव. सपोज टुमारो यू हैव नथिंग, यू आर द वन हु इज स्टार्विंग, हाउ वुड यू लाइक पीपल टू बिहेव. Behave like that now, right? Behave as you would want people to behave when you are in trouble, whether you know them or not. So Ma Yashoda called everybody. She took out the best of saris, jewelry. There was milk and food everywhere. She called all the sages. The Vedic mantras were going on. There was decoration and celebration. The spirit, the aroma of Chandan was spreading across. And she called everybody. And she started distributing. To the sages, they said, please pick. Take as many cows as you want. Take whatever food you want. Whatever they had, they just wanted to give away with both hands. But Nanda Baba did not understand why it was never getting over. It wasn't. दोगे तो आपके हाथ कभी खाली नहीं रहेंगे. जो देने वाले हाथ होते हैं वो कभी खाली नहीं होते. And then how was she giving? She was giving from the attitude of serving. Rahim Baba थे ना? When he would give, and people would think he's ashamed of giving. Because while he would raise his hands to give, his eyes would start looking down. है ना? And people thought कि he's so ashamed of giving that, he does not look the other person in the eye while he is giving. The word spread and the word went to Kabir Das ji. And Kabir Das ji understood what Rahim Das ji was going through. है ना? वो तो संत थे, दोनों संत थे. संत ही संत को पहचान सकता है ना, मूर्ख थोड़ी पहचान सकता है. तो संत ने बोला कि भाई लोगों को कैसे समझाऊं कि रहीम बाबा के मन में क्या चल रहा है. सो ही रोट a poetry and he asked him, why is it that you are ashamed of giving, that as and when your hands rise to give, your eyes start looking down? To which Rahim Baba replied, he said, देनहार कोई और है, देवत है दिन रैन, लोग ब्रह्मो पर करे तासो नीचे नैन. देनहार कोई और है, देवत है दिन रैन, लोग ब्रह्मो पर करे तासो नीचे नैन. He said कि it is not that I'm ashamed of giving, but the fact is it is not me who is giving, and people think I am the one who is giving, and that is why I get embarrassed, because there is somebody else, that Ishwar, that God who continuously gives me, and I am just passing on what he had given. And what embarrasses me is that people think that I am the giver. Nobody is the giver. एक ही है दाता, बाकी हम सब भिखारी हैं. यस, सिर्फ भिखारी है. दाता एक ही है. जितनी जल्दी हमें ये समझ आएगा ना, उतनी जल्दी ये जो अहम है ना, ईगो है ना, वो चली जाएगी. और किसका हम दे रहे हैं? उसका दे रहे हैं. तो ये जो एकत्रित करने की भावना है ना, वो भी चली जाएगी. होर्डिंग नेचर, वो भी चला जाएगा. सोचो, बस जी रहे हैं हम भाई, जी रहे हैं. आज आया, कल आया, परसों आया, आज बच्चों के लिए मैं यहाँ का जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. ऐसे ही भाग दौड़ में बिना व्यर्थ ही जीवन गंवा रहे हैं हम. थोड़ा सोचो तो, रुको तो. कहाँ भागे जा रहे हो? क्यों भागे जा रहे हो? कहाँ जाना है? कहाँ से आए हो? कुछ तो समय अपने लिए निकाल के सोचो. नहीं, मत सोचो. उत्सव बन रहा है. And with this bhav of service, Ma Yashoda and Nand Baba are humbly giving what they know has been given by the Lord himself. Nothing is theirs. And at that time, Ma Yashoda feels कि ये अभी कृष्ण मेरी गोदी में है, थोड़ा ये नीचे उतरे तो फिर तो मैं आराम से दोनों हाथ से काम कर सकूं. अभी एक हाथ में इसको मैंने पकड़ रखा. Just imagine holding your baby in one hand and doing work with one hand, and this Krishna is not sleeping. In the meantime, this Nidra Devi, the Devi of sleep, she came. Nidra Devi came and she is like, I also want to attend the function. Most of the time, whenever they have an utsav, they shoo me off. Right? Neend ud jati hai na? During utsav, you're not sleepy, you are happy. So Nidra Devi does not get any space during the utsav. So she's saying, I also want to be a part of this utsav. I also want to be there. Then what did she do? You know what? I will not go on anybody's eye. I will go and sit on Shri Krishna's eye. And she came and sat on Shri Krishna's eye. And Shri Krishna obliged. He said, "ठीक है Nidra Devi, you also want to be a part of the celebration? Okay, be a part of the celebration. Then I will pretend to sleep. And as it is, my mother also wants me to sleep, right? So I will pretend to sleep. You come and you be part of the celebration." So Shri Krishna closed his eyes. Now little tiny Shri Krishna has fallen asleep. And Ma Yashoda is pretty happy because now she'll have both her hands free to serve everybody. Right? With a lot of love. So what does she do? She looks here, she looks there, and there she sees a cart. Right? A cart होता है ना जहाँ पे सामान उठा के you try the bullocks in front, and she sees a cart. So what she does is she puts Shri Krishna below the cart. She puts Shri Krishna and that's it. And she says, now my hands are free. She puts Shri Krishna below the cart and now she is happy. Now Shri Krishna is pretending to sleep because both Ma Yashoda and Nidra Devi both wanted Shri Krishna to fall asleep. And she is serving. So there is a lot of noise. Everybody is happy. Everybody is laughing. And above the cart, there is milk. There is yogurt. There is everything above the cart. And Shri Krishna has been put below the cart. Shri Krishna is below the cart. Everything else is above the cart. And nobody is paying attention. So what does Shri Krishna do? He looks around. He said, the celebration is for me. The utsav has been held for me. And nobody is paying attention to me. What do I do? So he looks here, looks there, and he starts crying. And when he starts crying, what happens? Nobody listens to him. Only a few children are playing around. So at that time, nobody is again listening to him, so he does not know what to do. Utsav is going on. Ma Yashoda also is busy. Now Shri Krishna, ऐसा ही हमारे साथ होता है ना हमेशा. Whenever we have a utsav, what do? The reason might be gone. Okay, for instance, let's take, because Diwali is coming next week, I'll take an example of Diwali. Why do we celebrate Diwali? We celebrate Diwali because Shri Krishna had come, right? And we are celebrating Diwali because Shri Ram had returned from Vanvas. There are many reasons. But in the process of the celebration, how much do we remember the Lord? We don't. Many a times, people are not patient enough to be in the house to welcome Shri Lakshmi. That day, the day before, कहते हैं कि 2-3 दिन घर नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, but नहीं, कोई भी घर नहीं छोड़ेंगे. They are going to go around partying, visiting people, सब करते रहेंगे, and they will forget the Lord. So उत्सव होता तो भगवान के लिए है, कि हृदय में भगवान का प्राकट्य हुआ है, पर हम भगवान को ही भूल जाते हैं. Do we do that when guests come over into our house? When guests come to our house, what do? We, no matter what we are doing, no matter what work we are doing, our focus is always on our guest, right? Even when we are in the kitchen, we are cooking, we'll keep talking to them. We'll keep thinking, aap sab sahi hai na? Have you got everything? Have you eaten well? Is everything all right? We will keep asking them, right? But when God is there in the kitchen, God is there, in the mandir, do we still have that same feeling? No. We just forget him. सुबह हमने घंटी बजा दी, उसके बाद में पूरे दिन हमें प्रभु का होश ही नहीं है. We'll be doing different things. We'll be there in the kitchen, we'll be there going out, coming in, but we would not have the thought of how my Lord is. But when a guest comes, we are very particular, right? Even if we step out of the house, we'll call and check, is everything okay? आपको सब मिल गया ना? मैं 1 घंटे में वापस आ रही हूँ. But for our atithi, this is the behavior. But for Lord, nahi. Have the same behavior for the Lord also. Why don't you have the same behavior for the Lord also? We have to have the same behavior for the Lord also. No matter what we are doing, no matter where we are, our thought should always be on the Lord. Our thought, our feelings, our emotions, no matter, कहते हैं ना जग छोड़ो ना हरि भूलो, ना जग छोड़ो ना हरि भूलो, करम कर जिंदगानी में, ना जग छोड़ो ना हरि भूलो, करम कर जिंदगानी में, जियो दुनिया में यों जैसे कमल रहता है पानी में, जियो दुनिया में यों जैसे कमल रहता है पानी में. This should be your thought. Nobody is asking you to stop doing what you are doing. Don't stop. आप करें, अपना कर्म करते रहें. In Gita also, when we look, we know that nobody stopped Sri Arjun from doing his kartavya. In fact, Sri Krishna said, you continue. You do your kartavya. Didn't he? धनुष नीचे मत रखो, बाण नीचे मत रखो, तुम काम करो. क्योंकि कर्म तो करना है ना. जो आपके हिस्से में कर्म आया है वो तो आपको करना ही है. हमारे शास्त्र कहीं पे भी हमें संसार छोड़ने की शिक्षा नहीं देते. संसार में रहते हुए हम कैसे प्रभु के हो सकते हैं, इतनी सी एक बात है. संसार में रहते हुए हम प्रभु के कैसे हो सकते हैं, इतनी सी एक बात है, इतनी सी एक सोच है. पर हम तो नहीं. वी फील कि गॉड एंड संसार आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. That is the mistake we are making. What did Ma Yashoda do? Ma Yashoda kept Sri Krishna under the cart, isn't it? Ma Yashoda kept Sri Krishna under the cart. Why not up? Why not with her? Because that is what we all do. We feel that the material and the spiritual world should be separated. There should be two different things. But ऐसा नहीं होता. Build your spiritual base. Have a strong spiritual foundation. प्रभु का अस्तित्व उसमें होना चाहिए, प्रभु उसमें होने चाहिए, and then build your material world around it. पर नहीं, we will build a spiritual world, a material world, and maybe we are going to give a little bit space here and there for the Lord. That is what we do, right? क्यों? ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि संसार और ईश्वर अलग है. And if we have an inclination towards God, we will not be able to revel in this world. That is not true. ऐसा नहीं होता. And if you have Lord in your heart, in the midst of your very existence, trust me, your life is going to be far more better. The anxiety, anxiousness, the depression, the कहते हैं ना हताशा जो हो जाती, होगी ही नहीं. Why? because he will be holding the world for you. प्रभु में जग को मानो. This is very important. And this is what this episode, this part of Sri Mad Bhagavat Mahapuran is telling us. Don't keep the Lord somewhere in the corner or under. No. And what is this chariot that they are talking about? इसमें दो पहिए होते हैं ना. Husband and wife are the two wheels. जिसमें संसार चलाते हो ना. एक परिवार है, उसमें husband है, wife है, and आप अपना संसार चला रहे हो. Right? And these two wheels, they have not come together for bhog. Husband and wife do not come together for bhog. They come together for yog. You know, it happens very rarely that the husband and wife together walk the path of spirituality. They together walk the path towards the Lord. And when both walk the path towards the Lord together, they achieve the Lord faster. बहुत ज़रूरी है. When you chant the mantras, when you actually, if you still remember the mantras you chanted when you got married, each and every mantra, if you go back to it, will have a spiritual connotation. Two people coming together for spiritual upliftment. But we feel that after marriage, bhog, 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 enjoy life. मस्त रहो, मस्ती में आग लगे बस्ती में, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ एंजॉय करो. सॉरी, मटीरियल लाइफ एंजॉय करो. स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ एंजॉयमेंट की काबिल ही नहीं होती. हमें लगता है दैट्स बोरिंग. व्हेन विल वी डू इट? व्हेन वी गेट ओल्ड. ओल्ड में भाई पेट में आंत नहीं होगी, मुंह में दांत नहीं होगा, बैठा जाएगा नहीं. क्या स्पिरिचुअलिटी करोगे? क्या ठाकुर जी को याद करोगे? Nowadays many ashrams also say, don't come to us when your hair is grey. Come to us when your hair is black and you're young and you're able. ये कोई वृद्धाश्रम नहीं है. The sooner you start, the better. So this chariot is the connotation of husband and wife, this parivar. Do you know that there are 4 ashrams? We all know, right? Brahmacharya ashram, Grihast ashram, then Vanaprastha ashram and Sannyas ashram. Do you know the responsibility of the Grihastha ashram is the most? The Grihastha has the responsibility of all the other ashrams. ना ब्रह्मचरी कमाते हैं, ना सन्यासी कमाते हैं, ना वनवासी कमाते हैं. कमाता कौन? ये गृहस्थ. And these grihasthas are supposed to divide their income such that they give it for animals, they give it for plants, they give it for the planet, they give it for the sadhus, they give it for the pitras, the departed soul, they give it for the gods, the deities, they give it for yagna. Their income is not only theirs. They have the responsibility of the entire other living and non-living things. But what do? The minute we have more money, we spend more on ourselves. बहुत दुख होता है ये देख के. कभी आप इस पे बैठे हो, जो लिमोजीन्स चलती हैं, बहुत चलती है ना अपने दुबई में, तो उसमें आप बैठ जाओ, चाहे वो 16 सीटर हो, 18 सीटर हो, 20 सीटर हो, बैठोगे तो एक ही सीट पे ना. चाहे आपके घर में 10 कमरे ही क्यों ना हो, 10 बिस्तर ही क्यों ना हो, सोओगे तो तुम एक ही कमरे में, एक ही कोने में ना. चाहे तुम्हारे पास में पता नहीं कितने ही आभूषण क्यों ना हो, पहनोगे तो थोड़े से ही ना, और खाओगे तो दाल रोटी ना, सोना थोड़ी खाओगे. ये प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गई पता है आज की तारीख में? गृहस्थ, ये जो हाउस होल्डर है ना, वो बिगड़ गया है. सेल्फिश टू द कोर. मैं और मेरे 2 माँ बाप का भी कर ले तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. मैं और मेरे 2. so सेल्फिश. ये है गृहस्थ की परिभाषा. उस गृहस्थ की जिसको साधु सन्यासियों को चलाना था, उस गृहस्थ की जिसको मंदिरों को संभालना था, उस गृहस्थ की जिसको जानवर जंतु जीव का ध्यान रखना था, उस गृहस्थ की जिसको पेड़ पौधे जंगलों का ख्याल रखना था, उस गृहस्थ के जिनको नदियों और मछलियों का ध्यान रखना था, उस गृहस्थ के जिनके देवों और पितरों का ध्यान रखना था, उस गृहस्थ ने अपनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी छोड़ दी. खुद को संभाल रहा है बस। पैसा आ गया तो भाई 3 नहीं, हम 6 बेडरूम के घर में रहेंगे। 1 नहीं, हमारी दुनिया में 5 जगह घर होंगे। गाड़ियां 5 नहीं 7 होंगी हमारे पास में। हॉलिडे में एक एक कोना चप्पा चप्पा नाप लेंगे हम। और दान दक्षिणा धर्म का काम आएगा तब अठन्नी नहीं निकलेगी जेब से। जागो गृहस्थ, जागो, क्या कर रहे हो? और आज की तारीख में जहां सब जगह हाहाकार मचा हुआ है, जहां आज तुम्हारी जरूरत है, तुम्हारे साधुओं को, तुम्हारे मंदिरों को, तुम्हारे लोगों को, सनातन धर्म को तुम्हारी जरूरत है, तुम कैसे सो सकते हो? जहां खुले आम सनातन धर्मियों की हत्या हो रही है और तुम सो रहे हो। आज किसी के मुंह पे चर्चा नहीं है कि ये हो गया। क्यों? क्योंकि तुम्हारे घर में तुम्हारे बच्चे को आके नहीं मारा, इसके लिए ना। आज अगर नहीं जागा सनातन धर्म तो फिर कब जागेगा? ये धर्म जो सिर्फ प्यार करना सिखाता है, उस पे आघात हो रहा है। खुले आम सनातन धर्मियों को मारा जा रहा है, चुन चुन के हमारे मंदिरों को जलाया जा रहा है, हमारे देवी देवताओं का अपमान हो रहा है, और हम यहां बुत बने बैठे हैं चुपचाप। अगर ऐसे ही हो तो फिर मरने योग्य ही हो तुम लोग सब। अब नहीं जागा गृहस्थ तो कब जागेगा? अब नहीं करा कुछ तो कब करोगे? अब अगर धर्म की रक्षा नहीं करी तो धर्म नहीं बचेगा। आज वहां हुआ है बांग्लादेश में, कल जहां तुम हो वहां भी होगा। फिर क्या करोगे? फिर त्राही 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 होगी ना। जब खुद के घर में आग लगती है तब तो जलन होती है, किसी और का घर जले तो किसी को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता। घर तुम्हारा ही जल रहा है। हत्या सनातन धर्मियों की ही हो रही है। क्यों? क्योंकि हम सब सो गए हैं। हमें अपने अलावा किसी की पड़ी नहीं है। शर्म की बात है ये, शर्म की बात है। और जब ऐसा होता है ना तो फिर भगवान को लगता है कि मुझे ही अपने हाथ में लेना पड़ेगा। ये लोग तो सब मुझे भूल गए। और वो पूतना का बदला लेने के लिए कौन आया? शक्टासुर, शकट आसुर। He came and he became the chariot कि when Shri Krishna comes, I'm going to haunt him, I'm going to eat him, I'm going to destroy their Shri Krishna। यही हो रहा है ना। अभी भी तो शक्टासुर सब जगह घूम रहे हैं हमारे श्री कृष्ण को अटैक करने के लिए, हमारे धर्म की हत्या करने के लिए, है ना। हाँ, तो यही हो रहा है। पर क्या हमारा धर्म इतना कमजोर है कि वो खत्म हो जाएगा? इतने हजारों सालों में नहीं हुआ तो अब क्या होगा? नहीं होगा। तो श्री कृष्ण से ठीक है, ये लोग सब मुझे भूल गए। जैसे आजकल हम भी तो अंधे हो गए ना, हमें तो भगवान की पड़ी नहीं, हमें हमारे शास्त्रों की पड़ी नहीं है। वी हैव अदर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, वी हैव 100,001 excuses for not to listen to our scriptures, not to read our scriptures, not to be where our scriptures are being chanted, not to spend time chanting. So over here also that is what is happening. Shri Krishna has been put under the cart and everybody is celebrating. They have forgotten who this existence is for. Shri Krishna, so he said, let me take matters into my own hands. And what he did was, with his tiny little legs, now over here see, he did not expand himself. He does not need to. He did not expand himself to take the form of Vaman avatar to destroy Shaktasur. Nor did his legs become as firm as Narsingh avatar. The small little baby, 108 days of age, saw this. And what he did was, with his tiny little legs, he kicked. He kicked. And there and then, Shaktasur got liberation. And all the milk and yogurt and everything came falling down. Dhadam! And then when this kind of a thing happened, what happened? Everybody came running. Kya hua, kya hua, kya hua? Because it requires a thund, a massive explosion for us to wake up, isn't it? नहीं तो हम सोते रहेंगे बस. And he woke up. Everybody came running. Ma Yashoda came and grabbed Shri Krishna ki ye kya ho gaya? And they asked, what happened? How come this chariot is broken? How come all the doodh, dahi, everything which was on the chariot, on the floor now? And the children, the innocent little children who had pure hearts, they said, oh, Shri Krishna, this little baby of 3 months with his tiny little legs, kicked the chariot and it went flying off and everything fell down. And the adults, the so-called logically thinking people, said it's not possible. Such a tiny little baby with his tiny legs, how can he create such a havoc? Not at all possible. माँ यशोदा said, नहीं possible नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. मेरा छोटा सा कन्हैया, मेरे छोटे छोटे कन्हैया के छोटे छोटे पैर, छोटे छोटे हाथ. No, what nonsense. That is what we say, na? When we talk about our scriptures, when we talk about Ramji's being there, when we talk about Shri Krishna being a part of our history and existing, when we talk about all that is being mentioned, we say, what is the proof? Praman kya hai? What is the logic? Karte raho logic. Proof, praman. प्रमाण के चक्कर में, प्रणय के चक्कर में फंसे रहेंगे हम. If at all God could be understood by logic, he would not be God, right? And these little children who were innocent, saral, saral, saral. This word saral should be engraved everywhere so that it reminds you, these saral children who were so simple, so innocent, they were accepting कि हाँ बेबी ने कर दिया, उसने मारा है, हमने देखा है. But the adults did not believe. Because it was not what they thought, We think from our conditioning. Dekh lena. Everybody of us is conditioned. The world around us, everything that we see is analyzed by our own conditioning. We don't go beyond our conditionings. Our perspective, see, there is nothing wrong, nothing right. It is all our perspective. We see what we have learned to see. And that is why we say, in spirituality, there is a lot you have to unlearn. There is a lot you have to unlearn. But we don't want to unlearn. We have set beliefs, set conditioning, and we are going to walk according to that. नहीं, सरल हो जाओ. The day you realize कि अभी बहुत कुछ सीखना बाकी, मेरे को तो कुछ भी नहीं आता, that day your journey will begin. Over here the children are saying, no, Shri Krishna, he did it. He overturned the cart. He threw everything. Not at all possible, Ma Yashoda said. Not at all possible, everybody else said. He's such a small, tiny baby. There must be something else. And they did not believe the children who said, हमने देखा है. यही है ना? We also don't believe the sadhus, the saints who keep shouting, हमने देखा है. सुनो, this is the path. Walk it. ऐसा है. चल के तो देखो. No, but because our logic defies it, we won't follow the path. है ना? किसी ने नहीं माना. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. At least their attention came to Shri Krishna. Right? In our lives, many a times, hurdles would come. Right? Keep saying, right? There is a sweet favor that the God does, and there is this bitter favor that the God does. Both are favors only. Sometimes we'll be surrounded by so much of opulences, and we'll say, Prabhu ne kripa ki. Sometimes everything would be taken away. Your very existence would be threatened. That is also kripa. Because when you are suffering, when you are in the midst of misery and problems, the intensity of your prayer is more. See, when the destruction happened, what did Ma Yashoda do? She ran and she grabbed Shri Krishna close to her, right? That is what happens to us also. When we are faced in a very horrible situation, when we are petrified, That is when we hold on to God dearly. So कृपा ही है ना, कैसे भी करो टर्न तो है तुम प्रभु की तरफ. So when ठाकुर जी destroys everything in your life, तहस नहस कर दिया, अच्छी नौकरी थी वो चली गई, खूब पैसा था वो चला गया, मतलब दर दर के भिखारी बन गए, वो भी कृपा है. क्योंकि उस समय जो आपकी साधना तपस्या, प्रभु का नाम जो आपके मुंह से निकलेगा, उसमें इंटेंसिटी, उसमें जो प्यार होगा ना, उसमें जो तलब होगी, आई शुड से तलब, यू नो दैट डेस्परेशन फॉर गॉड, फॉर यू, फॉर गॉड टू लिसन टू यू विल बी वेरी हाई. सो वो भी कृपा है. प्रभु नित्य कृपा ही करते हैं. इट इज फॉर अस, वी फील कि ये कृपा है या नहीं है, पर प्रभु तो कृपा ही करते हैं. एंड विद दिस दे गैदर्ड. श्री कृष्णा एंड माँ यशोदा सेड, नाउ आई वोंट लेट यू गो. जब जब मैं तुझे छोड़ती हूं तब तब ऐसा हो जाता है. कोई ना कोई राक्षस, कोई ना कोई अनहोनी, समथिंग गेट्स ब्रोकन, समथिंग गेट्स बीटन, सम राक्षसी कम्स, सम राक्षस कम्स. नाउ कृष्णा, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लेट यू आउट ऑफ माय साइट. ऐसा कर लो ना. हम सब जब ऐसा करेंगे ना तो तकलीफें आएंगी ही नहीं. इफ वी डिसाइड टुडे जस्ट लाइक माँ यशोदा कि नाउ आई वोंट लीव यू अंडर द कार्ट, यू आर गोइंग टू बी द सेंटर ऑफ माई एग्जिस्टेंस. You make Lord the center of your existence. हृदय में बसा लो, and then डोलो ना अब दुनिया में, and then you see how the world becomes for you. ताकत आएगी, शक्ति आएगी, डर नहीं लगेगा, मन घबराएगा नहीं. The minute you make Lord the center of your existence, no matter how turbulent things are outside, you will remain calm, quiet and composed inside. जिसके पास में श्री कृष्ण है, उसका कोई क्या बिगाड़ सकता है? Not at all possible. अभी तो we'll see. अभी तो पूतना आई है, शक्टासुर आया है, अभी तो बहुत असुर आने बाकी हैं. Once you make Shri Krishna the center of your existence, ignorance will go away. Putna in the form of ignorance. Shaktasur, the material desire and the attachment that we have will go away. We are being pulled by this material maya. It is like, it is like dope. Yes, drugs. मन करता है और लो और लो और लो, जितना लो उतना ही ज्यादा लेने का मन करता है. But the minute you take Shri Krishna into your heart, this attachment, these shackles of material desires will drop off. You don't have to put an effort to let go of the material things. Put an effort to get the Lord close to you. The rest He will do. Ma Yashoda and Nand Baba, what are they doing? The entire effort was to get Krishna, right? Once Shri Krishna came into their house, everything is being done by Him. Everything is being done by Him. And once Shri Krishna is in your heart, in the midst of your existence, in the midst of your household, when you make that spiritual base and then build your material world around it, how beautiful and how loving would you be? Then you would not see any difference anywhere. There is a story that one of the sages says that one businessman had mandir in his office. Okay, all businessmen are very spiritual, right? They have mandirs in their office, and he was praying to God. And after that, a customer came, client came, and he said, no, this businessman said, no, I'm selling everything at cost to you. है ना, मैं ज़्यादा मुनाफा profit, I'm not keeping anything. I'm selling everything at cost. So please have it. Please buy. You are my friend, this and that and everything. And this other person was a client who thought that, yes, he's being honest. He's my friend. Why would he cheat me? And saying this, he bought the things from him. Ultimately, actually, he had made 3 times or 4 times more money than this thing had costed. So much of profit margin he kept. Suppose now Suppose this businessman had not kept God just in the mandir, right? छोटा सा जो मंदिर बना देते, हम तो भगवान जी को रहने की भी जगह नहीं देते हमारे घर में. You want him to become the center of your household? If you say that he is the head of the family, shouldn't he have the biggest room in your house? No, we'll keep him in some corner in the kitchen, isn't it? Why? Because you don't think he is the head of the family. No. There is no if and but over here. There is no if and but over here. ये दोगुला व्यवहार मत करो. You believe in God, he is the head of your family or he is not. If he is the head of the family, if everything belongs to him, if he is who has given you everything, then how will you keep him in your house? You'll give him the best everything, right? He'll have the biggest room, all the facilities. You'll always be there taking care of him. We say कि सब कुछ प्रभु का ही है. हमारे दिल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कहने की बात अलग होती है और करने की बात अलग होती है. When we say everything belongs to God, but when you look around, see, when you walk into somebody's house, you will know who is the head of the family. Is it God or is it somebody else? Clearly पता चलेगा कि किसके घर में किसका राज है. If God is the head of your family, God is the center of your existence, God is there when you are praying, when in your office, when you're praying to the Lord, you say, Prabhu, everybody, every client that is going to come to me is going to be a part of you. There we are not saying don't make profit, but don't rip apart the other person. That will happen when? When you believe that God is next to me, when you believe that God is with me, when you believe that He exists. The minute you let go of this belief, this is what happens. The minute, this is what happens. The minute Nanda Baba, yeah, Jeev, okay, this is, Ma Yashoda is the Buddhi and Nanda Baba is the Jeev. The minute the Buddhi and the Jeev go away from the Lord, go away from that Shri Krishna, what happens? Disaster happens. That is when all these, what are these monsters we are going to talk about one after another? These are all those, what is this? What is Shaktasur? Shaktasur is nothing. He is our ego, is Kam, Krodh, Moh, Lobh, Ahankar, Matsarya, Mad. यही तो है Shaktasur. पूतना क्या है? Ignorance है. When your mind and yourself, your Jeev and Buddhi, when they go away from the Lord, when they turn their back to the Lord, everything negative, all the negative desires and vasanas, all this is going to come. When you leave the Lord under the chariot and you are busy reveling in the world, Kam, Krodh, Moh, Lobh, Mad, Matsarya, Ahankar, यही सब तो आएगा आपके पास में. But the minute you pick him up and hold him close and say कि अब मैं तुझे नहीं छोड़ूंगा, no matter what I do, you are going to be with me. How will you be? You'd be like a fragrant rose. You know, just like that rose who gives perfume to even those, you know, who gives fragrance to even those hands which crushes him. Right? Or the Mother Earth, you plow, you torture her, yet she gives you. Or the trees which you cut, they still give you. Fruits and wood, everybody is giving. Why? Because they have Lord in the midst of their existence. And the day we are able to accomplish this, the day we take him out of that cart where we have kept him below, deep below, tucked in some corner, when we take him from that corner, we hold him close, all the Shaktasurs of the world will be destroyed. We will act in this world. We will stand up to what is right and wrong without hatred in our hearts. Shri Krishna, every time he destroyed a demon, he liberated them. There is no room for hate in our hearts. But at the same time, being inert, being complacent, Being ignorant is not what is being said. All our scriptures. Over here, Shri Krishna saw something wrong, he acted. गलत है तो गलत चीज को हटाना पड़ेगा, हमें सामना करना पड़ेगा, पर हमें अपना मूल स्वभाव नहीं भूलना है. शक्कर चाहे उसको किसी में भी डालो मीठी ही रहती है, चाहे उसको कॉफी में डालो या करेले में डालो, शक्कर तो शक्कर ही रहेगी ना, दूसरे को भी मीठा कर देती है. हमें हमारी मिठास नहीं भूलनी है, हमें हमारा प्यार नहीं भूलना है, हमारे जो हमारा सनातन धर्म हमें सिखा रहा है वो हमें नहीं भूलना है. किंतु श्री कृष्ण की तरह हमें कार्य भी करना है. जहां जहां गलत हो रहा है उसे रोकना है. और ये कैसे करेंगे हम? श्री कृष्ण को हमारे हृदय में बसा के. ठाकुर जी, हम जो भी कर रहे हैं हम सब चीजों का सामना करेंगे, आप हमारे हृदय में वास करना, ताकि हमारे मन में कोई गलत भावना ना आए किसी के प्रति. स्टेबिलिटी इज नीडेड. एक तो होता है डिस्टेबलाइज हो जाओ, उत्तेजित हो जाओ एंड देन यू एक्ट. नो, एक्ट विथ काम एंड कंपोज्ड माइंड. बी कंपोज्ड, बी काम, and then act in this world. Act, don't react. Shri Krishna did what was needed. He knew Putna was supposed to be destroyed. He knew Shaktasur was supposed to be destroyed. He knew he had to call back everybody to say कि भाई रुको, मुझे भी तो देखो. भगवान यही करते हैं. जैसे श्री कृष्ण रोते ना, अरे माँ मुझे तो देख, वैसे ही भगवान रोते हैं कि अरे भाई मुझे भी तो देखो. संसार बनाया था कि मुझे प्यार मिलेगा, पर यह संसार मुझे ही भूल गया. Don't turn away from the Lord. Turn towards the Lord. And with Him in your heart, act in this world. Very important point here. If there is only one thing you want to take away from today's session is awaken. Householders, awaken. Grihast, jago. Take charge of your responsibilities with God in your heart. Not only are you here to serve your own immediate families, so many people rely on you. Even your dharma relies on you. And if you don't wake up now, when will you? Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. वासुदेवाय वासुदेवाय. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी, जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की। बोलो बजरंग बली की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।